The moon is not just a light in your night sky, it is the only reason you are alive. Most people look up and see something beautiful, something distant, something permanent. But what if that distance changed? What if instead of drifting away, the moon started coming closer? Here's what would actually happen. Right now, the moon sits in a perfect Goldilocks zone, close enough to steady our tilt, far enough to keep tides gentle. That single number is why seasons, rainfall, and civilization exist. Remove that balance and everything unravels. The moment the moon begins moving closer, the oceans respond first. Tides that currently rise 1 meter begin rising hundreds of meters. There is no evacuation plan for a tide that reaches the 50th floor. No siren loud enough to warn every person on every coastline simultaneously. Humanity simply watches the water climb. Within the first few weeks, entire coastal cities vanish beneath water that has nowhere to go. But the water is only the beginning. Before the moon tears at the ground, it does something quieter. It slows our spin. The 24-hour day stretches to 48 hours. Then, longer. Every animal, every plant, every biological rhythm on Earth thrown into chaos. Ecosystems that took millions of years to calibrate begin collapsing in silence. Then the ground itself starts to break. The moon's gravity begins pulling at Earth's crust and mantle. Earthquakes erupt across every continent simultaneously. Volcanoes silent for centuries detonate without warning. The surface of the planet becomes a cascading catastrophe with no pause and no mercy. And then comes the point of no return. Scientists call it the Roche Limit, the exact distance inside which the moon can no longer hold itself together. Earth's gravity overpowers the moon's own internal forces, and the moon shatters, not metaphorically, physically. Billions of tons of lunar rock fragment into a ring of debris. Then that debris begins to fall. Colossal fragments rain across every continent. The energy released makes the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs look like a minor incident. Surface temperatures spike to thousands of degrees. Nothing survives. Here is the sobering truth. This is not what is happening. The moon is moving away. 3.8 centimeters further every single year. Slowly, silently. That slow departure is not a threat. It is a ticking clock. And for now, that clock is the only thing keeping you alive. So the next time you look up, don't just see light. See the architect, the guardian, the silent timer counting down above your head. If this changed how you see the night sky, hit like, share it with someone who needs a reminder, and subscribe. Because the universe doesn't wait, and neither do we.